Hi everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making a slider gift card holder, at the same time a card. So this is what I made. Pretty simple instructions. I'll give you all that instruction, but just like how it moves up. So that's what we'll be making today. So you'll need a base for 5.5 by 8.5, the insert piece at 5/7/8 by 4, the mat for the bottom piece, which is here. This piece is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. This piece here, which is the top side of the paper, is 2 1/4 by 5 1/4. So that's what you'll need. And scoring's pretty easy and simple. So bringing my little score pal here. On the 8.5 side, we're going to score at 2. Oof, rough. And 6. 6. Yep, 6. Okay. So we have that. 2. Just making sure it's scored all the way through. Alright, and then for the insert piece, we're going to score on the 5 7/8 side. We're going to do it 2 again, 2 inches, and 5 3/8. It's going to look like that. Alright, and that's all the scoring. So now let's burnish our card. I'm going to find my other bone folder. And we're going to score, or burnish, my apologies, on our score lines. So it looks like that. And on this one, we're going to bring one up, fold it up, and then this one, we're going to fold the bigger piece, score line, we're going to fold back. So this, it looks like this. So this is what that inner piece looks like here. Okay. So this one looks like this. You have this shorter piece and the longer piece. So you're going to obviously use the shorter piece as the bottom, and then the top is what you'll use for the flap. So let's put it together. This one, I originally used glue here. But as you can see, it looks like it's coming apart with the glue. I did put a lot of glue, but I'm not going to do that this time. We're going to use tear and tape. So this is where we're putting our tape, the shorter piece, and the longer piece here on the top, and then we've got one for the shorter piece for the flap, and then for the gift card, a really thin piece. So let's take this part, or let's pull the adhesive, make sure it's nice and stuck. I will pull the piece out. You want to align it. Make sure it's aligned on both sides. And if you're happy, am I happy? I'm happy. We're going to fold it down. And then now it's going to fold up. You see that? So that's how we're going to do it. And then this side, we're going to close this up. But before we do that, I want to well, that's fine. So there you go. We've got a little pocket, which I've already prepared a gift card but it fits. It's nice and snug. It won't fall off. So, with this one, I was thinking of Mother's Day card, or just a card to a family member you or friends. This one, I like the saying on it. So, we're going to stamp it right here. But it says, if flowers were hugs, I'd send you 1,000. So, thinking of my mom. Give her 1,000 flowers and more. All right. So with this one, took out the adhesive on the bottom. Just gonna put it up and just reinforce again, just to make sure it sticks. So here's your piece right there. So that's the mechanism. Let's put the gift card in here. And push it down, and there's the mechanism. And it won't come off. It won't slide off by accident. It's nice and snug. This little piece is nice and snug in there. Alright, so let's keep that there, and let's put the mat. So this one I don't want it to be so square, just like I did here. I wanted to give it some detail. So I'm going to use this We Are Memory Punch Keeper. I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to make sure it's facing the right way, right? So there's that one. And then I've got this piece here as well. So great, just to give you a quick detail on your project. I really like it, but it's right there. It's really pretty. All right, so now let's glue it. Put this adhesive down to our project. This beautiful paper. I have a problem with cutting up beautiful paper, and I think a lot of crafters do, because it's so pretty. You don't want to mess it up or cut it up, but if you think of like making projects for your mom or someone you love, it's easy to do because you know it's going to someone you love. Someone you love and will love the same things that you're. So, and hopefully she, enjoys it. I could leave it like that. It's pretty, but I want to also do the bottom. And so I have the bottom piece here as well. I hope everybody is doing well during this tough time, and that we're just staying as strong as possible and praying as much as we can to God to help us through this difficult time. Just closing it up to make sure I'm aligning it with the outside piece, just so it looks good. Alright, so that's my piece. Looks good, huh? So with this one, as you can see, it does, if you don't have anything kind of pushing it down, it is going to be up a little bit, as you can tell. So it will lay like that. So for this one, I put a Velcro. Just cut it in half. Because if I did a full circle, or you could use a smaller Velcro, but if you did a full circle, it'd eat into this one. So I cut it in half, and since I cut that one in half, I'm going to use the other half of it for this card here. Find the middle for me, and then just place it down. Be careful with it in your initial, just so. But there you go. And now you've got that piece. So this one I did put a special something just for you. And if flowers were hugs, I'll send you 1,000. So this one is a waffle flower stamp set. And then this one here, the inside piece is the Abstract Impressions by Stampin' Up! And it's this piece, this little stamp right here. I think it's so, so pretty. Just, it's cute. It's a cute saying. All right, so that is done. I'm not going to put anything here just because I don't know what I'm going to send it for yet. Happy birthday or whatever. So I'm going to leave this one blank, but this one does have a saying already. But did you see how quick and easy that was? Even cutting the paper, it didn't take too long. So with that said, since I have two of these, I'm going to make another one with you, and hopefully you guys don't mind. But this one's going to be a graduation card. Graduations are coming up, so we want to celebrate them. And so with this one, I've already pre-stamped the paper, the designs on it, and the stamp sets that I used for this one are really old, but I like little hats here. And then for this one, I took from Montfont, I took a little star. So, and that's how I came about with this quick and simple, easy design. I just stamped it out and then just kind of curious how it looked like. So that's my project for today. Pretty quick, pretty easy, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But we've got our graduation card. Then we've got the Mother's Day, friends, family, anybody can get a card like this. Paper is beautiful. It's from Joann's. Card stocks are $1.10. Both of them, and I got those from Michael's. So I hope you like these cards. They're really easy. I enjoyed making them. You saw how quickly it was to score, quickly it was to put together. This didn't take very long at all. You know, you just gotta come up with a design and stick with it and see how it turns out. I thought it turned out pretty well. Thank you for your time. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick project. It's a pretty cool idea. You've got a card with a gift card in it. It's a 2-in-1. So, and I don't think anybody would know, you know, if they open it, they just think it's a card. And then they open it and they get more. So that's always a nice surprise. This one's kind of telling, right? Something special just for you. For me, I was like, ooh, money, right? Or a gift card. But thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all those who continue to support my channel. I really appreciate it. Have a good day and have a good week, and hope to see you again soon. Bye, guys.